Good morning, this is Kasturi Day. Today I'm going to start a new chapter, that is carbon and its compounds. Okay, this is according to our ICSE syllabus class 8. See, some more chapters are left behind besides this one. So I'll start them. I'll discuss with you all the three chapters which are left after this chapter, because I feel this is an important chapter for you, and that's why I am going to discuss it first. Okay, so I'm starting with, okay. So introduction, we come to the introduction of this chapter first. So what is carbon? We know it's an element. It is considered to be the third most important element after oxygen and hydrogen, which is required for the existence of life on earth. Okay, elements like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, they are all called organogens. Why? What do we call them? Organogens. And why it is named? Because it means that the substance from which organic life, that is plants and animals, they have started. Though that's why these elements, that is hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen, they are known as organogens. Okay, mind the spelling. Okay, so it forms lots of complex compounds with hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Carbon forms complex compounds with hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen in spite of constituting only 0.03% of the Earth's crust. So in the Earth's crust, it only constitutes 0.03%, but still it forms complex compounds with hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Most of these compounds are being formed naturally by plants and animals, but some are prepared artificially by chemists like fuel. Okay, by making fuel, they form these carbon compounds, complex carbon compounds. Then medicines, clothing, etc., these are prepared artificially, and by this method they can, chemists and other people, they prepare the complex compounds artificially. Okay, otherwise they are prepared naturally by plants and animals. The name carbon, from where it has been derived from the Latin word carbo. Okay, that means coal. Okay, now the carbon has a symbol, we write it as a symbol capital C. Its mass atomic number is 6 and mass number is 12, and its valency is 4. Okay, so and when we will discuss the atomic structure, I'll start and discuss the atomic number. What is atomic number? What is mass number? Okay, next we come to occurrence. Okay, on the Earth's crust, it occurs in free as well as in the combined state. Okay, on the Earth's crust, carbon occurs in free as well as in the combined state. In the free state, it occurs as coal, diamond and graphite. Diamond is the purest form of the carbon. Graphite is a less pure than carbon, a less pure form of carbon than diamond, and coal is the impure form of the carbon. In all these, percentage of carbon varies from 60% to 90%. In the combined state, carbon occurs in the form of compounds in solids, liquids, even in gases. Gaseous state also, they are found, like carbon dioxide. Then in solid state, all animals and plant products, they are made up of carbon, like cellulose, carbohydrates, fats, proteins. Okay, these are all made up of carbon. Then mineral salts in the form of carbonates. Okay, in the solid states, these we find. Then lime, mineral salts in carbonates form, what do we find? Like lime, marble or chalk. These are calcium carbonate. Then magnesite, it's a magnesium carbonate. Okay, then dolomite, combination of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. MgCO3 formula is MgCO3 dot CaCO3. Okay, then calamine, which is a zinc carbonate. Okay, next we come to in liquid state. Okay, in liquid state, carbon is found in petroleum, petrol, kerosene oil, diesel oil, furnace oil, mobile oil, grease and wax. Okay, then in vegetable oils, they are found in vegetable oils. See, this is a picture of diamond. First one is diamond, this is graphite, then this is the coal. Then we come to the picture of limestone, this is magnesite, this is dolomite. Okay. Now we come to the picture of petrol. This is kerosene. This is diesel oil. This is LPG, that is in the liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, it's in the gas form, gaseous state. In air, it is found as carbon dioxide. 0.03% of carbon contains carbon dioxide, which air contains 0.03% of carbon dioxide. It's found in natural gas, marsh gas, petroleum gas, coal gas, etc. Okay. This is the liquefied petroleum gas. Then occurrence is it is found in some foods like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins. Okay, these are found in carbon is found in these food items. Even natural fibers like cotton, silk also contain carbon. Okay. Next is all compounds are classified into two classes. All carbon compounds are, all compounds are classified into two, that is organic and inorganic. Organic compounds which contain carbon and inorganic compounds which do not contain carbon. Okay, so organic compounds like starch, wax, vinegar, alcohol, dyes, detergents, soaps, plastics, clothing material like nylon, polyester silk, wool, cotton, as well as paper, polythene, perfumes, disinfectants, and many medicines. All these are organic compounds. Okay, see some of the organic compounds we see in the formula. See, this is methane, CH4, which has boiling point of minus 164. Then water, H2O. Okay. Then H6, C2H6, that is ethane, CH3OH, this is methanol. Then C3H8, that is propane, C3CH2OH, that is ethanol. These are all organic compounds. C4H10, butane, and CH3CH2CH2OH, this is propanol. Okay. Next, we come to some alkanes. See, this also is a this organic compound, alkane. Okay, then alkenes, alcohols, then carboxylic acids. All these are carbon compounds. Okay. Some inorganic compounds is sodium chloride. This picture has not been, I don't know why it's not coming properly. Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium nitrate, then sodium nitrate, then calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate, calcium phosphate, potassium aluminium sulfate, we call it alum. Okay. Then ammonium chloride, copper sulfate, hydrated copper sulfate. These are inorganic compounds which do not contain carbon. Okay. So I have read the names of this. I'm sorry why this is not coming. I don't know. This picture is very easy. Okay. In carbon. Allotropy is the phenomena due to which an element exists in two or more forms in the same physical state with the same chemical properties but with different physical properties. So what do we mean by allotropy? Okay, allotropy means that it's a phenomena due to which an element can exist in two or more forms in the same physical state, but in the different physical physical state is same, that is in the solid form. Okay, physical state is same, chemical properties are same, but physical properties are different. Okay, such forms of an element are its allotropic forms, or you can say simply allotropes. Okay, allotropes contain the same kind of atoms but have differences in the arrangements of atoms that gives the different looks. Besides carbon, phosphorus and sulfur also exhibit this allotropy. Then phosphorus, yellow phosphorus, red phosphorus, white phosphorus are there. These are different allotropes of the phosphorus metal. Then phosphorus element. Then sulfur also has the allotropes like rhombic, monoclinic, plastic, colloidal, or and flower of sulfur. Okay. See, this is the allotropic forms of carbon. Carbon are of two types. Allotrope forms are two, that is crystalline and amorphous form. Crystalline form are three types, that is diamond, graphite, and fullerenes. Uh, Amorphous forms are uh, those which are charcoal, lamp black, and coal. Okay, charcoal is wood charcoal, sugar charcoal, and animal charcoal, whereas coal can be coke and coal gas. Okay, so animal charcoal is bone charcoal, you can say. Okay, so these are the allotropic forms of carbon. So first is crystalline form and then is amorphous form. So crystalline form can be diamond, graphite, and fullerenes, whereas amorphous forms can be charcoal and lamp black or coal. Coal can be of two types, it is coal gas and coke and coal gas, and charcoal can be wood charcoal, sugar charcoal, and animal charcoal. So these are the allotropic forms of carbon. Okay, next in my next video I'll discuss these allotropic forms, like I will discuss this graphite, then diamond, then fullerenes in the separately. Okay, so please go through this video. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box and do subscribe to get the notification of my next video, and share with your friends so that they can also be benefited from these videos, and press the like button obviously. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a good day.